everybody, my name is Sandra Nunez Courier and I work for Mesa County Libraries at the central location. Today I'll be teaching you a very cool craft, fabric balls. Okay, some of the supplies that you need are fabric, 3 pieces, different colors, foam brush, a cup, this one has stuff inside right now, empty cup, a bowl, preferably a bowl that you're not 100% attached to it just because we're going to be using glue. Mod Podge or tacky glue or Elmer's glue, scissors, and I will recommend to do this in a surface. It doesn't matter if you spill some glue on it or just to put a little towel like I have in here. So step number 1, friends, with your fabric cloth, you're going to cut strips about 2 inches wide, and long is just the length that comes with the fabric. Okay, so because of the video purposes, I already cut them up. Then we're going to place our bowl. We're going to pour our glue into the cup. We're going to add water, same proportion, and then we're going to mix it. I already have my mix in here going, just because I was practicing before this video, and I did not want to waste my mix. Okay, should be a little liquidy. Okay, so here we go. You want to alternate the fabrics, right? You want to do one color, and another color. So right now we're going to do the stripe one, okay? This is for older kids. Remember, this is from newborn to 11 years old. So we're going to place the first one. And this one is kind of the hard one, which is okay. Just have to do it slowly. We're going to grab our glue mixed with water, and we're going to soak it in there. Okay. This is the very important step. I would say the most important one because it will set the rest for all your fabric balls. Okay, it's okay, you know. It's moving a little bit. We're just going to work with it. Okay, now that it's wet, I am going to place it halfway and press on the top so it really attaches to the bowl. Okay? Now, I'm going to grab another piece of fabric and take a look what I'm going to do. I am going to place it, let's see, close to it so there are no gaps in between. And because the first one already has some glue going, it's going to be kind of like our pivot point to add the next one. Okay? Now that it's semi-attached in there, we do the same process carefully, okay? You can do this with cotton fabric, so maybe some old t-shirts you have. You can transform it into a fabric bowl. Great for presents, but not for eating. Okay, so you see here, right? No spaces in between. Now I'm going to come with the third color and the same process. No gaps in between. Press on the top a little bit. I lay my fabric in there. And I go with my glue. Okay. Make sure you press it down, and all of them are combined. They're sticking to each other. Okay, you see how this is going? So you're just gonna continue doing. Okay, I'm gonna give you another technique. You can also cut your fabric into fun shapes. And this one will be for younger kids or anybody. And the cool part of this one is that there is no wrong answer. Just add some glue, make sure that the picture is going up, and just add it around. This one is a little bit more messy, but it's cool. Okay, friends, so right here we have the one with the little pieces, and make sure you overlap them with each other and let it dry. You have to let this dry for 10, 15, or 20 minutes. You have to come and test it, okay? So you have to be a little patient with it. Awesome. Okay, so I have another one that is halfway. I'm gonna do this. Okay, I did this earlier, and I tried to take it off, and when I took it off, it came out like this. Some of my corners need repair, and that's fine, friends. So what we do, we just go ahead and try to support it with your hand and put the glue on with each other. You see, that corner's already fixed. Good coat in there. Oops. Okay. And so on. You can also do this with the inside of your bowl. So you can have that support going inside and just tap the corners. Like I said, there is no wrong answer. So if you do your fabrics the opposite with a colorful print inside, you can always paint the outside. Okay, make sure you're soaking all of it. Just the corners, because the middle is going to be 100% secure. Okay, and then we let it dry, and then when it's dry, just wiggle it a little bit. When it comes out, if there are a few of them still that need a little repair, just tap them with the solution that we did in here, and you will be just fine. Okay. As I mentioned, you can also do this backwards, which is amazing, okay? And you can paint the outside, okay? So this is really cool. It's a perfect bowl to put small pencils, crayons, earrings, bracelets, or anything you want to except food, just because of the content of the glue that we're using. It's not toxic, but we just want you to be safe. Okay, friends, so I hope that you guys have fun doing your fabric bowls and have a great day.